Good Friday! Well, I guess you know we're making meatballs today. I have a new toy. This is like the cheapest one you can get on Amazon. It was $40 shipped, Prime. We have a Mirro 4.8 quart Dutch oven cast iron. It's very attractive. It has a lot of positive reviews. Months and months ago, I came across a Hunt's ad from 1959. It's called Saucepan Meatballs. Why isn't it 5 quart? 4.8. Come on. Hey! Meatballs! That's what we're doing. Whoa. Let's open it up. Come on now. Oh. This is my first cast iron Dutch oven. It's supposed to be like a turquoise. Oh. That's heavy. I don't see any damage. Oh, hey, that's a nice blue. Got a little bump here. $40 shipped. Oh. Oh. That is a nice blue. It's not vintage turquoise, you know. Teal turquoise. I don't see any breaks in the enamel. If you look at the product pictures on Amazon, one of them actually looked a little cracked by the corner here. I was a little worried. It looks fine. Mirro, the lid's heavy. That lid is one heavy mofo. Ta-da! We're gonna test it out today. I'm pretty sure it's deep enough. It might be too deep. I don't know. I've never made this before. You know, when we normally make meatballs, we brown them first. What I found interesting about this one is we don't brown them. We form 16 balls out of 1 pound of ground beef. They're gonna be really tiny. And we're gonna put them right into the sauce. No browning! I like that there is only half a circle here. You know, why did they do that? It's Le Creuset. It's so heavy, I wonder if it's going to hurt the electric coil. It's really heavy. All right, well, we're in for a pound and penny, and that's pretty cool. I'm not complaining. Let's get to the ingredients. Here's our ingredients. Half a teaspoon of garlic salt. They had the non-organic. It just didn't look as good. This had a better color and a little less sodium. So we chose that for that. Half a teaspoon of thyme, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 1/4 cups of water, a packet of onion soup mix, recipe soup and dip mix. Now, looking at the boxes from like the 80s and 90s, and I found a picture of a packet. A picture of a packet. There's a nick on the handle with a pistol with a bullet. A cross on the handle with a pistol with a blank. I found an envelope from eons ago. I think it was marked 1.5 ounces, and this is 2 ounces per box. So instead of 1.5, we have 1 ounce. I don't know if that's going to make a difference. We're just going to use 1 packet. 1 pound of ground beef, 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley. It said 2 8-ounce cans of Hunt's tomato sauce. There was a small can that was 15 ounces, so it wasn't exactly 16, which is what we need. If we need more, we have more. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking in our new Mirro cast enameled Dutch oven.
Thank you.
very watery. I think you have to simmer the sauce uncovered for a while. This is very watery, but let's try it. Cut one open. $19.59 Hunt's unbrowned meatballs. Okay. Tastes good. It's got good flavor. It needs breadcrumbs. It's very beefy. Very solid beefy. It should be served in a bowl so it catches the sauce. Let's try the sauce. Oh man. Here we go. The sauce has really good flavor. Here's a spoon of the sauce. Ow! The onion soup mix gives it really good flavor. It's just too watery. It needs to be cooked down. I love the flavor. The meatballs taste good, but they're too tough. They do need breadcrumbs. I'm sorry. They really do taste good though. Oh. I really do like the onion mix in there. Thanks for joining me this Friday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.